Coming from a dementia care home to Ramsay was quite daunting at first because obviously of the tracheostomies, ventilators, complex illnesses. I did feel a little bit nervous. Now that I've completed my trachea training, I come into work feeling a lot more prepared, and I also feel very proud that I can come in and deal with such a complex thing. There are a lot of opportunities here to develop your career further. Things like a CSA, which is a clinical support assistant.
There's the trachees and the vents they could be trained on. There's the peg feeds to be done, and you also have training by our training officer. The working environment is absolutely brilliant. We get a lot of support from colleagues, managers, and we also find that the doors are always open if we need to let off steam.
I do feel like I can turn to the nurses, and I could also turn to other healthcare assistants as well if I need any help. I mean, even at the hardest times when things are a struggle, we always do find a way around it. We do work very well, and I do feel like we could always turn to each other if it needs be. The longer you work in a place like this, the more it gets distilled in your brain. After a while, you kind of understand the values and the principles of what you do, and it almost becomes second nature when you're walking around.
I put Ramsay values into my work each day by working as a team, high standards of care, giving each resident person-centred care, and people caring for people.
It's nice when you do something and then you have families that come in and they seem to be pleased with everything that you do for them. It is very rewarding.